Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and it's been an interesting couple of days for DigiAssets. People have seen that they've been a little bit up and down when it comes to the mobile applications, as well as issuing them through the Create DigiAssets website that I've been working on. Now, the reason for this is that although the applications are a pure SPV implementation, now this means that they check all of the blocks themselves and make sure that all of the DigiByte being sent and received is verified on the device. It's not quite that straightforward when it comes to DigiAssets. So, unfortunately at the moment they are still using a third-party set of servers, and these servers have been having issues, which is why it's been taking time to show up in your DigiByte wallet. So although you receive the transactions and the likes, when it comes to showing the additional data down the side in your DigiAssets column, this has been where the issue is. Now, unfortunately, this has also affected this website. I'm using several additional servers as well, in the process of making some more myself so that it is completely in-house managed. But anyway, what I want to do is also show you some of the improvements that have been going on. So what I'll do is I'll go to my DigiAssets. Actually, what I should show you here, so on the dashboard it says here that I've deposited 0 DigiByte right now. This is because I've deposited the 500 DigiByte, and now I can create 1 DigiAsset. If I deposit another 500 DigiByte, I can then create 2 DigiAssets. So it's 500 DigiByte per DigiAsset that you want to create. Now this doesn't matter if you are issuing 10 of them or 10,000 of them, it's just a once-off fee, I suppose, for using the website. Now, if we go to my DigiAssets, you can see some that I created, many of which were a while ago. For example, this one's better than USDT, but this one's better than USDT because it has a fixed supply, so I've indicated that here with the padlock which says it's locked. We can also see here there's a couple of other things. This says that there is only one person who holds it at the moment, but I want to show you really quickly some of the reasons why you might want to use this website. Now the reason for this is that if we click on the send button here, what you can do is you can go and you can put in some addresses. Now this is great if you want to send it to a couple of friends all at once. You can just pop the addresses in, 1, 2, 3, and put in add amount. By default it will include the entire amount here. But if you need more than just 3 addresses, what you can do is go and specify a CSV file. For those unfamiliar, a CSV file is basically a spreadsheet just without a whole lot of extra formatting. So you'll have 2 columns, one for the address and one for the amount. Nice and simple. And so what you can do there is send this, say for example let's say you are running a small concert at a local bar and you want to sell tickets to it. What you can do is take those tickets and sell them online, and people can give you their addresses, and you could send send each person 1 of your DigiAssets as an entry ticket. Perhaps you wanted to sell the shares in a solar farm, and you sold a bunch of them to different people, so some people might have bought 1 share, some might have bought 10 shares, some may have even bought 100 shares. And if you have those all saved in a file, you can easily click on this, upload it, and hit send, and it will send them off to all of those people. Really streamlining and helping to make your life easier is the goal here. Anyway, so you can also click on the globe here and go straight to view it on the Digi Explorer and see it on the blockchain as well. Anyway, so this is just a little bit of an update for you to kind of explain what we've been doing with the createDigiAssets.com website, as well as why some people have been seeing have been missing images, for example, in their DigiByte wallet. So again, I want to reassure you, don't worry, it is being worked on. The server should be resolved and fully operational very shortly, and there are additional things that we are doing and working on to further improve this. However, as I'm sure you're all well aware, we put this out recently as a very early implementation, a first look, and we are taking on all the feedback that we can and still rapidly working on ways we can improve it. Anyway, that's going to be all for me for today. I hope you've enjoyed this. Consider giving a like, subscribe if you're on YouTube. You can reach me in the comments below. You can tweet me. I'm at DGB_chilling. Or otherwise, I'll talk to you in the next video. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.